train and the train and the road. They are the destination and the journey. They are home. With this, a very auspicious morning and a very librarian day to respect the director ma'am and all the charges present here. Today, I, Shreya Madan of class 10E, got the golden opportunity to conduct today's program. Shriyani Ramamitra Ranganathan was a librarian and a mathematician from India. His most notable contribution to the field were the 5 laws of library science, and he is also known as the father of library science. So, I request Madam Director and all the in charges to show their gratitude from all of us offering by the garland to their picture. Ruskin Bond is one of an Indian author from descent. So, here comes Tulsi of class 9C for giving us some information about Ruskin Bond.
Good morning, respected ma'am and sir. Ruskin Bond is one of the eminent Indian writers of British descent. He is known for his great work in promoting children literature in India. He has written many short stories, novels, poems and essays. The Blue Umbrella is one of his award-winning novels. The Hindi film made on the same novel won the National Film Award for Best Children's Film in 2007. He was born in a British family who used to live in India during colonial rule. Most of the year of his childhood days have spent in India. His parents got separated and the death of his father made him inclined of a writing.
Ranganathan propounded 5 laws of library science. So, here comes Anna for telling us about his 5 laws of library science.
Good morning everyone. S.R. Ranganathan, who is also known as father of library science, was the first who identified the real meaning of libraries and library science. As we know, on 12th August we celebrate National Librarian Day on birthday of S.R. Ranganathan. So, I would like to tell you some library science laws proposed by him in 1931. 5 laws are as follows. First, books are for use. Second, library is a growing organism. Second, every book its reader. Third, every reader his book. Fourth, save the time of the reader. I may conclude by telling you that S.R. Ranganathan, who gave us these laws detailing the principles of operating a library system, and so that we may learn the importance of library and give our precious time in reading, not wasting, because books are the best friend and guidance of a successful person. Thank you.
So here comes Akriti for a speech on National Librarians Day.
Good afternoon, respected Director Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, and all the activity in charges. Today, we celebrate the guardians of knowledge, the keepers of stories, and the wizards of wisdoms. Our beloved librarians, imagine a world without librarians where the books are scarce and information is power. Librarians are the rebels who fight against this darkness, armed with catalogs and classifications and unwavering commitment to sharing of knowledge. They are the matchmakers between readers and books, the navigators of digital age and whispers of ancient tales. With every moment recommendation, they ignite imaginations, spark curiosity, and fuel dreams. Librarians are the unsung glory of our time, working tirelessly behind the scenes to create inclusive spaces, foster literacy, and promote lifelong learning. They are the bridges between communities, connecting us to the shared love of reading. So let us honor these champions of knowledge, these sentinels of series, and these architects of imagination. Let us celebrate their dedication, their passion, and their unwavering commitment to empowering us all. To our librarians, we say thank you for being the keepers of our collective wisdoms, for being the guardians of our stories, and for being the spark that
कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। मेरे कमरे तक तो आते हैं लोग, लेकिन मुझ तक पहुँच नहीं पाते हैं। धूल की जमी परत के नीचे मुझे करना सिर्फ इंतजार आया है, क्योंकि डिजिटल दुनिया का सबको घुमा रहा है। आकर कुछ लोग मेरे करीब जब मुझ तक पहुँचते हैं, लगता है आज मुझे पढ़ा जाएगा। मेरी बाहरी आंगन से धूल का साया मिट जाएगा, लेकिन वो आते हैं और फिर चले जाते हैं। मुझ तक कोई पहुंच ही नहीं पाया है, क्योंकि डिजिटल दुनिया का सबको घुमार छाया है। बदलते वक्त ने ले ली जगह मेरी मोबाइल में और छीन ली मुझसे मेरे पलटते पन्नों की आहट। पढ़ते तो हैं लोग मुझे, मगर ई बुक्स ये मेरा और मेरी जैसी लाखों किताबों का दर, जो अब पुस्तकालय में सम्मान तो पाया है, क्योंकि डिजिटल दुनिया का सबको घुमार छाया है। बड़ा सा कमरा और कमरे में अलमारी, बड़े मान से मुझको उसमें सजाया है, लेकिन मुझ तक कोई पहुंच नहीं पाया है, क्योंकि डिजिटल दुनिया का सबको घुमार छाया है, क्योंकि डिजिटल दुनिया का सबको घुमार छाया है। थैंक यू।
सिखाती है। तो अब मैं पंखुड़ी और अर्णवी को बुलाना चाहती हूँ एक सुंदर कविता के लिए।
आज हम दोनों आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
नाम है बहुत छोटा, किताब करता है पूरी जिंदगी का हिसाब।
पढ़ लो तो विद्वान बन जाए, ना पढ़े तो मूर्ख रह जाए।
जितना पढ़ो इच्छा जागती जाए, जितना लूटो लुटाते जाए।
पढ़कर तुम अच्छे विचार कर पाते हो, भविष्य को उजाला करते जाते हो।
पढ़ो लिखो और पढ़ते जाओ, बंद दरवाजे खोलते जाओ।
जिंदगी की बड़ी बड़ी पहेलियाँ सुलझाती है किताब बन सहेली।
किताबों को अपना साथ बनाओ, जिंदगी जीत हासिल कर दिखाओ।
जिंदगी को एक मौका दो, किताब पढ़कर किस्मत चमका दो।
दिल हमेशा किताब से लगाओ, अच्छे इंसान बन दिखाओ।
ना इसके होती जिंदगी की नौका पार, यही है हमारे जीवन का आधार। धन्यवाद।